welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty will be cooking outside, showing you how to cook winter melon pork rib soup. So come, let's join Aunty. First of all, this is winter melon. I already peeled off the skin. And then winter melon. And then all the pork ribs in. And jujube is optional. If you like jujube, you can add in jujube. Otherwise, you can just set it aside. Okay. Okay, these are the ingredients needed to cook this. I have 12 cloves of garlic that I crushed. And 1 shallot also crushed. And ginger crushed too. Okay. And salt and ajinomoto you don't add now because you don't want the meat to be tough. And I have, this one is ground white pepper. I put about one tablespoon. Okay, that's it. Alright, once the soup has been boiled, you have to add in the seasoning. This is salt. I put about 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of ajinomoto. That's it. Okay, it's done already. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye bye. See you in the next video. May God bless all.